Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we are looking at SLAs for Azure. So SLA stands for Service Level Agreement, and this describes Azure's commitment for uptime and connectivity. That means, like, if you have a web server, Azure's going to say, we guarantee 99.9% of the time it's going to remain running throughout the year. It's not going to go down. So that's kind of the idea behind an SLA. For Azure, SLAs are individualized per Azure service, so they don't have broad SLAs. You're going to have to investigate each service to figure out what the commitment of Azure is for that service. And the way we describe these SLAs in terms of uptime and connectivity is through performance targets. Now, a performance target is just a representation in the form of a percentage. So if somebody were to say to you, this service is 99% likely of not failing, that's called 2 nines. And then you have the 3 nines, and then you have 5 nines, and then you have 9 nines. And the higher this number goes up, the more reliable, the better coverage this SLA is going to give you. So you want something that has a higher number of nines. And it's not always just nines. It could be 99.95%. But just understand that when someone says 9 nines, they're talking about that last value there. And it is like one of the highest guarantees an SLA can give. I can't remember if there's like 11 nines. There might be 11 nines. But generally 9 nines is the upper limit. And just to mention is that for Azure, if you are using the free tier or shared tiers, you do not get SLA because they just do not provide support for those because you're consuming everything for free. So you have to be paying to get the advantage of that SLA guarantee. So I did say that the SLAs are service specific. And so if you want to actually go investigate, all you got to do is type in Azure SLA into Google, and you should be able to make your way to this page. And what we can do is we can click into any of these here. So if I go to database and we choose Cosmos DB, and we just expand our information here, we get tons of information about their SLAs. And then our performance targets are down here. So we have this for availability. This is for read availability. So they have a lot of information. As I said, it's for basically any service, anything you want, just click into it. And they have all that SLA information. So there you go.